I woke up this morning around 5 as usual. I don't know why I wake up so early every single day. And I did my kind of self-care practice. So I did meditation, yoga, some tarot cards, a little stretching. Obviously yoga does that, but I did some stretching as well. And I just cut up some mangoes. So these are 3 Altufo. I can never say that word. I mean, I guess they're called honey mangoes, but these are my favorite mangoes in the world. And they're in season right now, so I've been eating them every single day. So good. Ever since I went to Costa Rica, I have just been eating like super simple, and my body's just really been liking it. So I've just been eating a lot of fruit, because in Costa Rica there was a lot of fruit everywhere, and I got used to eating it for breakfast and for lunch most days, or also have like a big salad. And then yeah, it's just great to finally get back to basics with food, because I feel like for a long time with just creating recipes and stuff, I was eating like really complicated meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. My body kind of just didn't really like it, you know. It was just too much salt, too much fat, too much ingredients in one meal, and it made me really want to crave more food, because it just made me crave like more foods that just had more flavor and more aspects to them. So just eating really simple foods for the last 3 weeks has been really great, and I feel like my skin is just getting better, and I just feel like even my hair and my eyes are like whiter. So I just had to share that with you guys. I'm about to go walk the dogs and then start my actual day.
Ollie, are you gonna jump down? Are you gonna jump down? Jump! Jump! You got it! You can do it. You do this every day. There you go.
I was hanging with you, and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't want to believe my feelings for you. I didn't want to believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help it, I'm falling for you, and I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through, 'cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel. Maybe it's better.
So our garden is actually booming right now. We have tons of Swiss chard, tons of collard greens, onions, carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, mulberries. And if you guys remember from my video when I planted all this stuff, I think it only took a month or so to grow these greens as big as they are. I've been using them for everything because we have so many. So I've been making collard wraps, and I've been making a lot of green juice. I'm gonna make some green juice now, but it's just been so amazing to be able to grow our own food. I know we're still in the beginning stages of it. A lot of people ask me if I can do a gardening video, and honestly, I am not that great at gardening. I learned from people that were very, very good at gardening, and I'm still learning. One thing that Derek just did with our good friend Jake Mace, who actually taught us all the gardening information that we know, is he filmed a video course on how to start a garden, how to build a raised bed, how to set up a watering system, how to grow from seed, how to plant a fruit tree, all these different things that he taught us how to do. And I think that it's so important to be able to grow your own food, because especially as vegans, it's like free food, hello? And I swear when I pick these greens and I make a salad or I make a juice, they're so fresh because I literally just picked them. They were grown organically. I get like buzzed off this food. It's insane. For anybody that really wants help gardening, I will leave the link to that video course below. I think it's still on sale, but it's definitely some of the best information that you could get to grow your own garden, because Jake grew over 300 fruit trees on 1/3 of an acre in Phoenix. He grew everything from papaya to avocado to mangoes, mulberries, peaches, figs. He had like tons of fig trees. So much stuff. I will leave the link to that below if anybody wants to get some really good information on growing your own garden. And yeah, I'm gonna go make a green juice. I've been obsessed with this green juice recently. I'm gonna make a video also on 3 different summer drinks that I've really been loving. That'll be probably my next video that comes out, but I'm gonna go make some green juice. Air fryer out here because our house is too small and it heats our house up like a ton. So I always cook these for 30 minutes on 360 degrees. You want to go inside? And I just find 360 degrees works the best for 30 minutes. And I'm just gonna make a little dipping sauce with diced tomatoes, some red pepper, some Kelly's Croutons parm, and then some basil.
Medicine